Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this portable induction cooktop. I already had this for over a year now, and this is a great induction cooktop for anybody that likes to go camping or that lives in a college dorm room, or if they don't have a kitchen in their house, or even if they want to cook outdoors. It's very easy to use and it works great. So this is how the surface looks. So it can hold pans from here in and even goes all the way out. You can see the on and off button. This is the safety lock feature. So once you press this, that it will make all the buttons lock. You have your timer to time how long that you want the heat to stop. You have your start and your pause. And then on this side right here, you have your different cooking settings. You can use it for a hot pot, to boil, keep warm, or to even use it as a slow cooker. You see right here is the cooling fan, and on top here is an exhaust fan right here. So let me show you how it works. You're going to plug this into your outlet. Once it goes on, it's going to have these 4 dashes. That's the standby mode. The blue light here just indicates that the surface is cool. Once it turns red, that means the surface is above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So in order for this to work, you have to have a pot on top of the cooktop. Because if you just turn it on, and then if you press a cooking top, it's going to give you this error code E0. So that means that there's nothing on top of the cook surface. So after about a minute, this will turn off. This is a great safety feature. So you can go pause it. I'm going to put my pan right here on top. So you can see now it's showing the target Fahrenheit temperature. So let me show you how quickly the temperature goes up, my thermometer. So you can see that right now it's 110 and it's going up already rapidly. So you can see the surface of the pan is already getting hot. And you see here it's already turned red because it's over the 140 Fahrenheit degrees. So this works great to make soups, to make anything that you could cook on a stovetop. Once you turn it on, you pick what you want to do, either boil, slow cook, hot pot, or keep warm. I'm just going to press boil. And then you can adjust the temperature using the plus or minus sign. See? So you're going to go like this, drop the temperature. And let's see how fast that this water starts boiling in here. And set it to the 460. So we'll see how fast that it's going to take to boil. So you could already start seeing the water boiling already. And that's how fast that this takes to heat up. And then when you finish, you either pause it or you shut it off. So then the cooling fan is gonna cool down the surface. So just be careful when you turn it off. The surface is still hot. So you should just wait a few minutes until the surface is nice and cool before you touch it. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great portable induction cooktop. I like how fast that it heats up and then boils the water. I also like how it has the safety feature with this lock button, and also if you don't have a pot on here, that it will not turn on. I also like how you're able to set a timer, so that way once it reaches the timer that it will turn off by itself. And I also like how it has the preset heating options right here. It's very portable and it fits in a very small place. So this is great for anybody that needs a portable induction cooktop.